guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kenzie, and today's video is a requested video. Actually, a couple weeks back I saw a comment asking for a video like this, so here's the video. It is how I make my intros. I actually made a couple new ones, but the one that you just saw is the one that I'm actually making. So if you want to see how to make an intro like that, make sure to keep watching. But before you do, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for summer, and turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, because I have been uploading 3 times a week during all of this COVID stuff because it's not like I have anything better to do. So without further ado, let's hop right into making a cute aesthetic intro. Okay guys, so first up, I use a MacBook. All I'm going to do is to log onto my computer and go onto iMovie. I edit all of my videos on iMovie. iMovie personally is fine for everything that I need to do for my channel, and if I do need like a cute intro or something, I will just use another app or make one. But if you're actually making a complex moving text and all of that on iMovie, it gets a little bit more complicated, so that won't be in this video. But like my videos, it's just a cute little moving background with some text that pops in. So I don't know the best way to do this, so I think I'm just gonna go by clip. So first of all, here is my most recent ones I made yesterday. So those are just some basic ones that I've made, and now let's get on to the first step. Okay, so first step, you're going to want to find a solid color background. So for some reason my Google takes me to this website, so I'm going to search for a light pink background. This can be basically any image if it's blank, and I'm going for a more purpley tone, so neutral. Maybe that one fits. I like this one, so I'm gonna bring it and then I'm just gonna drag it down onto my home screen, and then it creates this little icon. Now you can minimize your iMovie, and then you're just going to drag this into iMovie. So I make it smaller than it is, and now you can go to YouTube or a bunch of different things and just find green screen overlay videos. So like I have the butterflies, I have stars, I just have a bunch of things I have screen recorded or downloaded that is just a green screen. So I'm going to use this one. You're just going to grab or paste it on top of this, and when you tap, well, hang on. So I either messed something up or my computer was just lagging, so I'm restarting it. Okay, so restarting my computer fixed it. It's working fine now, so back to the video. So after you drag the green screen over your background, it's gonna look green. So I'm just going to mute this music, and here's what the pattern's going to look like. So now I'm just going to pause, click it, go up here where the overlays option is, and hit green/blue screen, and that'll make it have the pink background. Now I'm just going to bring this clip a little longer, so now we have this. So this is about 5 seconds. That's about how long I make my intros. So I'm just going to crop down the green screen, and now I'm going to go to titles and scroll to the bottom where the cooler texts are, and find a cool transition that I like. So maybe this one. And in case you didn't know, you can actually change the fonts color, size, and yeah, font all on the text in iMovie. So now it has this. I'm just going to type in my channel name. Well, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hit the check mark just so that saves. Now I'm going to go back and fix my last name or middle name. Now you can choose whatever font you like. I think I kind of like this one, so I'm going to go back and put the capital K. And you can even change the colors. I don't know that I'm going to change the color on this one though. I kind of like the white. So I'm going to hit this check mark again. And now I am going to preview it. Okay, I think I like that. So now I'm just going to add some music. So I have a lot of music. Most of it is downloaded from the YouTube library. That is, all of it is non-copyright. So I'm just going to go up here, pick one. These probably sound familiar to you guys if you are a subscriber, because I use them a lot. Sometimes I use farther into the song, not the beginning. Ooh, like right here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. My computer is weird sometimes. So anyways, I'm just gonna paste the music below the video, and I'm gonna go up here and cut it and cut the beginning. Crop this, pull it out, and find where I want the music to start. Oh boy, that was a mistake. I accidentally cut the whole clip. So, trimming this, and I trimmed a little bit. Now I'm deleting the beginning, putting this back to the start, and okay, I like that so far. So now I'm just going to hold down, maybe, delete the extra, trim it down to the end, and there you go. Here is the final product. And just like that, you have your own background, and now all you'll have to do is just save it to your downloads. You can do this, or your camera roll on your computer, and that is how I do it. Then you'll just drag it into your iMovie media, and that's where I keep all of my intros and outros. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure if you try this to let me know. And this is for that one comment that wanted to know if I could make them a intro. Now you can just make your own. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Thursday.